I'll be straight with you. When I see a trading platform advertising business class flights and F1 paddock access next to its charting tools, my first thought is not a positive one. So I want to go through what's actually inside Primeverse beyond the AI stuff, including the bit I was most cynical about, and tell you honestly where I landed on it. Let's get into it. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading carries risk and you can lose money. Always do your own research. So, Primeverse is three things stapled together. There's the trading tech, the education, and then the lifestyle side. Everyone talks about the first one. I want to spend this video on the other two. Start with the education because this is where I'd actually send a beginner. Prime Academy runs as a ladder. You start with platform navigation and account setup, which sounds patronizing until you remember nobody knows how to do that on day one. If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video. Then foundations, pips, lot sizes, reading a chart, risk management basics, then market structure, supply and demand, multi-time frame analysis, then the advanced stuff, liquidity concepts, imbalances, session specific strategies, 24 modules in that last tier alone. It runs in 9 languages and has live coaching 3 times a week. Now, here's why the order matters more than the content. I didn't learn in order. I learned in complete chaos. A bit of YouTube here, a course there, some Twitter thread that contradicted the last thing I read. And I ended up 2 years in with these enormous holes in the basics that I was too embarrassed to admit to. I genuinely didn't understand position sizing properly for the first 18 months. I was just guessing and hoping. If you don't know what half those words mean, that's completely fine. That's the point of a ladder. You're not supposed to know yet. Then there's the live trading floor, and this is the one I'd actually use. Professional traders streaming real money positions 3 times a week in real time. And I'll tell you why that matters more than any course. When I started, I read everything, every PDF, every article, every course I could get my hands on, and I still didn't get it. Then I watched somebody trade live for about 20 minutes and it just clicked. Watching a real person hesitate and talk themselves through it and click the button with actual money on the line taught me more than 6 months of reading ever did. I still watch other traders now. I've never stopped. That's not a beginner thing. That's just how you keep learning. Right. The travel and lifestyle side. Traverse. Business class at 40 to 60% off. 5-star hotels, resorts, yacht charters, VIP access to F1 and MMA events. And I've been suspicious of this kind of thing for years because I've watched an awful lot of people get sold a lifestyle instead of a skill. So here's where I've landed, and you can take it or leave it. If you're joining for the flights, you're joining for the wrong reason and you will lose money. That is not a strategy. But I do actually live like this. You know, I work from abroad. I move around constantly. My office is wherever I am. So I understand the appeal completely, and I'm not going to pretend a discount on the business class seat isn't nice. Just get the order right. The trading pays for the travel, never the other way round. There's also a holistic side to it. You know, fitness, mindset work, financial planning, personal branding. which sounds like a lot until you've had a losing week and realize how much of this is just you sat in a chair managing your own head. Trading is overwhelmingly psychological. That part isn't marketing. So who is all this for? If you want structure instead of the chaos I taught myself in, that's what you're buying here. The ladder, the live sessions, and the text sat alongside it. If you're expecting the lifestyle bit to arrive first, this isn't for you, and honestly, nothing is. Go and have a look for yourself. The link is in the description, so put your email in, pick which tier you want, and then it's done. You're in and you can see the whole thing properly. And if you're brand new and all of this feels like it's for other people, more advanced people, it isn't. I felt exactly that for about a year. You'll be surprised how quickly you stop feeling like a fraud.